Welcome to this tutorial video on document comparison in CADMATIC Electrical. The software is currently displaying a wiring diagram that I want to compare with its previous revision. However, before we proceed with the comparison, let's make a few additional changes. We'll modify the device tag and slightly reposition some objects in the diagram. Next, we'll use the document comparison functionality. The logic behind this functionality is straightforward. It compares the active drawing with the previous version. Objects that were present only in the first version are marked in red, while objects exclusive to version 2 are highlighted in green. The software analyzes both documents and marks all changes in yellow, making it easy to spot all modifications in the latest document. This feature saves time by quickly highlighting changes and revisions made to electrical documentation, allowing for easy identification of differences between two versions. It also enhances quality control, reducing the risk of errors in your documentation. You can use this functionality for various types of documents, including diagrams, layout drawings, and reports. The logic remains the same. The active version is compared to the previous one, and the software generates a report that can also be saved separately.